After exploring the Mexican marketplace on Olvera Street, take a left at Cesar Chavez and walk left again around the corner to Main Street. The first building on the corner is Italian Hall, once the center of Italian community life in LA's Little Italy. It is now the home of the Italian American Museum in Los Angeles. If you turn around and look up after you pass the building, you can see the winged canopy covering the restoration of a mural on the side of the second story of the building. Painted in 1932 by David Alfaro Siqueiros, it's called América Tropical and featured an Indian bound to a double cross, surmounted by an imperialist eagle and surrounded by pre-Columbian symbols and revolutionary figures. About halfway down the street just before the Sepulveda House is the América Tropical Interpretive Center, where you can learn more about Siqueiros and his work as well as the restoration of the mural. The main entrance is on the Olvera Street side.